Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize the Paramount Plus app on Samsung TV. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Samsung TV is powered on and connected to the internet. Navigate to the Smart Hub from your TV's home screen. Locate the search icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Type Paramount Plus using your remote to search for the app. Once the app appears, select it to open the app page. If you haven't installed it yet, choose the Install option. Wait for the app to download and install on your TV. Once installed, open the Paramount Plus app by selecting Open. You will see the welcome screen with options to sign in or create an. If you already have an account, select the Sign In option. Enter your login credentials, including your email and password. If you do not have an account, you can create one by selecting the Sign Up option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account creation process. After successfully signing in, the app may prompt you to authorize your device. On this prompt, you will see an activation code displayed on the screen. Take note of this activation code for later use. Next, grab your smartphone or computer and open a web browser. Visit the Paramount Plus activation page at paramountplus.com/activate. You will be prompted to log in again, so enter your account details. Once logged in, you will see a field to enter the activation code. Type in the code you noted earlier from your Samsung TV. After entering the code, click on the Activate button. A confirmation message should appear indicating your device has been authorized. Return to your Samsung TV, and the Paramount Plus app should refresh. You can now start streaming your favorite shows and movies on Paramount Plus. Enjoy your viewing experience and explore the extensive content library. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.